Starting a blog is a great way to connect with existing customers and new audiences. So let's walk through what it takes to start building a following and sharing meaningful content with the world. Every great website starts with a great domain name. It's what users type into their browser's address bar to visit your site. Choose one that's short, unique, easy to recognize and pronounce. Go with a hosting service that specializes in WordPress, the most popular blogging platform in the world. Bluehost offers a range of WordPress hosting solutions to give your blog a reliable home on the web. Your WordPress theme is the overall look, feel, and style of your website. With thousands of themes to choose from, use the WordPress feature filter to narrow down your search. Make a bigger impact with your blog by using these simple design principles. Increase white space to decrease clutter. Use authentic, high-quality photos. Be consistent with icons. Choose easy-to-read colors and font. And remember to keep your design simple. Grab your readers' attention with unique and powerful content. Write compelling headlines that draw them in. And use subheads and bullet points so they can easily get to what's important to them. But great content is no good if no one can find it. That's why search engine optimization, or SEO, is so important. By getting keywords into your posts and getting popular sites to backlink to yours, you'll start building an audience for your brand in no time. Get started down the path to publishing a successful blog today. To learn more and dive deeper into a specific topic, download the Blogger Playbook, a guide from the Blueprint series.